Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pressure gauge is probably one of the most crucial tools for anyone working with hydraulic systems. These digital marvels offer instant, precise pressure readings, making them indispensable in industries like automotive, manufacturing, and engineering. Whether you're troubleshooting a faulty machine or ensuring optimal performance, a reliable pressure gauge is your first line of defense. So, let's dive in and explore what makes these gauges the go-to choice for professionals. Number 5. XCT 3.15 Digital Hydraulic Pressure Gauge. This gauge can display pressure in bar, PSI, MPa, and kgfcm2. It offers flexibility to suit various measurement needs. You can easily switch between units. The device can record the highest pressure reading. It also features a zero clearing function. This helps you to easily reset and start fresh. It boasts a high accuracy of 0.5% fs. This ensures reliable and precise pressure readings. You can trust its measurements. It comes with a backlight for easy reading in low-light conditions. This feature enhances visibility and usability. It makes the display clear. The gauge supports pressure calibration. This ensures the accuracy of the readings over time. It helps maintain the device's performance. What we like. This gauge offers the flexibility of multiple unit options, making it easy to read in your preferred measurement. It also boasts high accuracy, ensuring reliable readings for critical applications. If you're looking for a versatile and precise gauge, this one is a great choice. What people say. Working as a field tech, use it almost every day for the last 2 years and no complaints. The perfect gauge. Very accurate, wide range. The build quality is excellent, it works as it should. Number 4. MEASUREMAN 4 Digital Pressure Gauge 0 to 10,000 psi. This digital pressure gauge is designed for accurate measurement of hydraulic, oil, water, and air pressure. It ensures precise readings for various industrial applications. The device is built to last and provide reliable performance. Featuring a stainless steel case and connection, this gauge is built for durability. It's designed to withstand demanding environments and resist corrosion from media compatible with stainless steel. This ensures a long service life. The gauge has a 4-inch dial with a bright backlight for easy reading. The 5-digit display shows pressure in multiple units. It also includes a pressure progress bar and records minimum and maximum pressure readings. It supports multiple pressure units, including bar, psi, MPa, and kgcm superscript 2. The gauge can handle up to 150% overload, ensuring it can withstand pressure spikes. It also displays the battery status. This gauge is suitable for measuring pressure in various systems. It is ideal for use in hydraulic, oil, and water pressure applications. The device is a reliable tool for professionals. What we like. This gauge is built with high precision, ensuring accurate measurements for your industrial needs. The stainless steel case and connection provide durability and resistance to corrosion. If you need a reliable and long-lasting gauge for demanding environments, you should consider this one. What people say. These gauges can't be beat for the price. Great quality, easy to use, and durable. Works great and easy to read. Much better than my old analog version. Great value for this pressure gauge and accurate. Number 3. MEASUREMAN 3-18 Digital Pressure Gauge. This is the MEASUREMAN Digital Pressure Gauge. It's designed for accurately measuring hydraulic, oil, water, and air pressure. It's a reliable tool for various applications. Featuring a 3-18-inch dial, this gauge provides clear readings. It boasts a high accuracy of 0.25%, ensuring precise measurements every time. This gauge can measure pressure up to 10,000 psi, 700 bar, or 70 MPa. The units are interchangeable, offering flexibility for different needs. The gauge includes a 316 stainless steel connection with a 1/4 NPT male fitting. It's built to withstand various media that are not corrosive to stainless steel. It has a bright backlight and a protective boot for easy use. The 5-digit display shows battery status and overload protection up to 125%. What we like. This gauge stands out with its superior accuracy, providing highly reliable readings. The protective boot adds an extra layer of durability, and the 316 stainless steel ensures longevity. If you value precision and durability in your measurements, this gauge is an excellent selection. What people say. Works fine as stated, large numbers easy to read. Worked fine, measurements are accurate. It is so nice to switch in between the various units like PSI, bar, kPa, and MPa. Number 2. MEASUREMAN Excavator Hydraulic Pressure Test Kit. This kit is specifically designed for hydraulic systems in excavators and construction machinery. It's compatible with brands like CAT, Komatsu, and more. It ensures accurate pressure readings for optimal performance. The kit comes with everything you need. It includes 3 digital pressure gauges, 2 durable test hoses, and 6 versatile test couplings. This provides a complete solution for various testing needs. The gauges are made of stainless steel with IP67 protection, ensuring durability and accuracy. They offer a user-friendly design and provide readings with plus or minus 1% accuracy. Batteries are required to power it. The hoses can withstand pressures up to 9,000 psi. The couplings offer a variety of connection options, including BSP, NPT, and UNF, for broad compatibility. This ensures a secure and reliable connection. It comes packed in a robust plastic suitcase for easy transportation and storage. This makes it ideal for fieldwork and long-term use. This ensures the product is protected and easy to carry. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for excavator hydraulic systems, ensuring compatibility with major brands. The inclusion of multiple gauges, hoses, and couplings makes it a comprehensive solution. If you work with excavators and need a complete, portable testing solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Product is economical, well built, and comes in a convenient box. I've used it several times and I am happy with the results. Works perfectly, good price and fast shipping. Perfect gauge set for the mobile mechanic, comes with all the common adapters needed for SION readings in the field. Number 1. SINOCMP Digital Pressure Gauge Kit. Introducing the SINOCMP Digital Pressure Gauge Kit. This kit comes with 2 pressure gauges, 3 test hoses, and 12 couplings. It's designed for hydraulic, gas, and water pressure testing. The gauge is equipped with a silicone case. This provides excellent waterproof protection, ensuring its durability in various environments. This kit uses a premium pressure sensor and electronic components. This ensures high precision and stability in all your measurements. The digital backlight display provides clear results. You can easily read the measurements, even in low light conditions. The digital gauge is designed for power efficiency. The backlight automatically shuts down after 25 seconds to conserve battery life, extending its usage time. This product comes with a 1-year warranty. You can rest assured knowing that it is backed by our commitment to quality. What we like. This gauge comes with a protective silicone case, offering waterproof and impact protection. It also features high precision and a clear backlight display for easy reading. If you need a gauge that is both durable and easy to read in various conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. Works as they should, comes with multiple adapters for different equipment brands. Seem to be very accurate as well. This is a premium pressure gauge testing kit, meticulously engineered for superior durability and protection, housed in a robust, waterproof silicone case that ensures it withstands even the most challenging environments. The digital pressure gauge boasts a vibrant, high-resolution display that is not only easy to read but also features a convenient backlight, allowing for effortless operation, whether you're working in bright sunlight or dimly lit conditions. Using this digital pressure test kit on my excavator's hydraulic system, I found the dual gauges easy to read, and the measurement was straightforward. The kit provided enough couplings to connect to the ports I wanted without searching for extras. There were no problems with holding pressure for all hoses, and I didn't see any leaks while testing, so I did not have to double-check the fittings when I was done with that sample. In terms of accuracy, the readings were consistent with what I observed on a shop reference gauge while doing a check. The unit felt sturdy enough for job site service, and the molded case made packing it up easy in the truck. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.